What's up, everyone? What's up, everyone? What's up, everybody? Back here. It's Soldier.
Doing limbo.
Yeah. We're back here on Ark Survival Evolved. Oh my god. Run. Just get inside of the house now. There's a bird. Like a devil bird. We're back here on Ark Survival Evolved. The center map. Yes, there is. Like, don't joke. And we're playing some split screen with my little brother. And yeah, let's
I was doing the limbo.
Right into this.
I was
doing a devil bird. And if you don't know what those things are,
it's Zero Dino.
Zero Dino.
Zero I Dino.
Devil birds. Is it coming for you?
No.
We have time. Make your devil swords kill it.
Bruh!
You can't even walk.
My Dilophosaurus was a really good team.
That's really good. Let's do it.
What is?
That.
The Zero Dino?
That's a good thing.
That's the epic game. Here is a... Here,
you be on the Thesiosaurus lookout while I actually do stuff.
Here's a fun fact. Ark Survival Evolved fun fact.
Never think he's stuck in a tree. Never think.
We did that 3 times and he wasn't.
Yeah.
We
never think he is.
We had to use players only. Like.
Yeah, we had to use cheat players only so that we don't die.
Yeah. 3 times. I almost snapped that one. You think I could not get that one? Think we could kill it?
It's like going now. That's good.
Actually, it's coming towards us.
Let me see it.
Oh, now he's
Can you even see it? I don't see it.
Yeah, he's right there.
Huh.
Over there.
Oh, I see it.
It's me, Mario!
He's just walking. It'll be good. So he turns around and starts killing us.
I do.
He's gonna kill us.
Just in case.
Yeah, go neutral because this isn't really good time. We're gonna put his life before ours.
Why?
Because
But
I'd rather have him die than me.
You're so selfish.
No, I'm not. This is for our own survival good. Team things so we don't die. Or get supplies. You don't.
If he dies, you're making a grave for him.
No, I'm not wasting all that cement and facings crap just for a stupid demo. Who would do that?
I would.
I wouldn't. That takes like a bunch of supplies to make.
Just in case, I'm making a high sleeping bag.
Oh, I have one. It's not like it.
So we have
Especially now the Thesiosaurus is here, I'm gonna place this.
Oh, I just. Let's go.
And
Right.
okay.
This is where my sleeping bag is. Great.
So I need to make a door for him.
It's set on the corner.
Well, thanks, Hop. Oh, I need to learn how.
Oh, I can name my sleeping bag. I want to pick it up.
Yeah, that's one thing that's really good about.
I didn't know you could pick up sleeping bags.
Yeah, you can.
I didn't know that.
It's a good feature.
Should we be right next to each other?
I guess so. I don't know. You can literally put your bed inside mine.
Like, would it break the? Would it break?
I'm not sure, but just try it. I guess.
Okay.
It might break. It's double beds.
I bet this will look so gay from in real life. That would be really gay.
Where is? Did I craft the door? No. Too bad.
You did it when I was asleep.
Well, I'm not asleep, so.
Can I make this thing?
No. Anything you see cannot kill you.
How about
So
he
kill you,
kill?
Dilophosaurus.
I'd rather he kill me. Hello, mister!
What?
Get in the house.
We got a dog, so we'll see. Not really. Wait, get in.
Get in.
Right now. Get in. It's like that.
My Dilophosaurus won't come in. Like, Dillo, you gotta come in here.
Okay.
Dillo's really stupid.
Okay, it's going a little bit funny. We gotta make sure we don't attack on this thing.
Yeah. Or my Dillo.
Dillo can do it.
Jack.
Okay. We gotta do things. We can't just sit around here being scared of a stupid bird.
Why not?
Because it's just stupid video. No one wants to see you watching people sit in their house. So they're scared.
Yes, I do. That'd be awesome video. Just kidding. That'd be the most stupidest video on earth.
Okay. Let's go. We need to actually do some stuff.
You have to be freaking level. Oh, you have to be level 10. I was gonna say you have to be level 15, but no, you don't. You only have to be level 10. Or 20. Only level 20. Okay.
That's all you ever say.
I know. Shut up! Please? Will you please shut up? Did you hear what I just did with my throat? Can you please
Shut up.
That's what happens when your mom gets in trouble for not saying please. Could you please shut up?
Okay, we need to tame another Dilophosaurus. We're gonna go Dilophosaurus.
Duh!
We're gonna attack that thing. Dilophosaurus. Attack. Go near that thing. So it's aggressive. I just made it aggressive.
You're gonna risk my body?
No, it's gonna be risked. Yeah, he's aggressive.
There.
Attack, Dilophosaurus. Once he spots you, just run. Okay, just run. It's aggressive now. So. Once it gets near, he'll attack.
I'm just gonna stay right here.
Okay.
I'm afraid that if I go too close, he's gonna
kill you.
Yeah.
Hopefully the Dilophosaurus distracts him. Turtle's coming. A lot of things happen on this video. It's good.
I think I should just
Get a turtle and
no, I'm gonna whistle attack target. I'm gonna make him
so aggressive and kills everything. Make it aggressive right now. Because I'm going really near it.
No, you go away. You go away from it.
No, I'm not sure what to do with it.
It's aggressive. Oh, great! He's going for the turtle.
No, don't. Yeah, he's good.
No, he's not. He has some pretty high health. Level 33. Yeah, why not?
Well, while you do that, I'm gonna go get this care package.
Don't you mean my Dillo does that?
Yeah. Dude, there's a yellow package. Oh my god.
That is literally yellow.
Yeah, that's it. That's like amazing. Got high chance.
That means you have to be like really high up. Oh, I killed it.
Next up target.
Oh, there he goes!
Attack him.
Yeah.
I'll believe in you.
I'm out.
Yeah, you should run. Run. You run. Yeah, he didn't even stand a chance. He didn't stand a chance.
No! I can't move!
Press O.
Okay, good.
You run. Dude, he's so stupid. You run.
Watch how I like go to the yellow package. We're like so excited. We get there. You have to be level 30 to open.
I'm not going to that.
You're not going to the yellow package?
No, you have to be a high level to get that.
What level?
I don't know. It's a high level. It's guns.
I'm a high level. I'm level 7. That's such a low level. We're freaking level 8. It's your car.
Oh, we got a bin. Okay, we got
Standing torch. Storage box.
So I'm gonna take all that. Oh, there's a rock. No,
There's another Dillo.
a bunch of crap over there. It's a yellow package over there. That's pretty rare.
It has like, it seriously has guns.
I got a really high chance of getting that. Or like a blueprint for a gun.
So we could.
Okay.
Wait, I think that trike is stuck in a tree.
Yeah, would be a really good thing. So then, maybe.
Do you think I should test it out?
Next episode. So this episode should be posted on Friday.
Could I at least
February.
Could I at least just shoot him?
No, don't need alternate. Okay, so this video should be
He's stuck.
up.
Not!
You stupid. This video should be up on Friday, February 10th. And if I did, make sure to put a thumbs up because I'm doing a good job on posting videos.
No,
And we
not
highly
really.
appreciate it. If you could put a thumbs up on it so I can continue the series. I'm not even there. It's not. So yeah, put a thumbs up if you're appreciating this, and
They're probably not appreciating it.
if you're enjoying this series, get more intense over time. So yeah, I feel like I'll do a better job on uploading videos. On this weekend, I probably will not be uploading. Yeah, like will not unless I'm doing a live stream. I might do a live stream. Probably not.
How are we gonna do a live stream? We're gonna be at Patty's.
Yeah, we can make a live stream. Okay. Yeah, you might make a live stream, but probably not. So
We're about to already have a turtle. I can't believe this. We're doing so good.
I guess
Well, we're not doing good.
we are.
We don't even have a Dillo. Because he died. We need to get revenge on that Dillo. No, not that Dillo. Yeah. Need to get revenge.
Okay, I'm gonna make this.
I'll go for a bit. Right. For your information.
Well, it's the wrong way. Unfortunately. There's a green package. I think they spawn at the same. Like each color spawns at the same point. So if the yellow package keeps spawning there, that'd be really good. House of Rock.
I'm probably gonna go get the green package.
Okay. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like if you want to see more videos of ARK, and make sure to subscribe.